Prescription drugs, show me love. Percocets, Adderall, Xanny balls. Get codeine involved, stuck in this body high. Can't shake it off, I'm falling off. I can't hold a thought, what's wrong with me? Now depression creep, I'm stressed a day, even in my sleep. My mommy called, I hit ignore. My daughter calls, I press ignore. My chin press on my chest, my knees press the floor. I'm blanking out, woke up on the couch, dinner on my shirt, my stomach hurts. I had a boss selling 80s, but yo, the karma's worse. I cry when nothing's wrong, I'm mad when peace along. My senses harm, sluggish, ruggish, a couple Xannies pop. Open my pill box, prescription drug. Drugs, I fell in love. My little secret, she gon' kill a thug. My body numb, she like to give me hug. I love her touch, I get a rush. When she don't come around, I start to going nuts. My heart erupts, I'm caught in pain. My phone ring. If you ain't selling drugs, then I don't hear a thing. May 7th, Ali calls, PM of 6:45, I finally answer this time. He say come to the stool, I'm mixing all your rhymes. I don't decline, at least that's in my mind. Grab the keys, need some woods for the trees. Dap the clerk before I leave, max on my AC. Continue right, remember seeing light. Why it's night, but that's my life. Prescription drug.
What's one? You tired? You mad? Okay, I love you, Daddy.
I'ma get some man for $20. Why? $20. You get one 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, whatever, nigga. See how to ride. Bitch, you gon' love it forever.
I just stopped selling crack today. I just stopped selling crack today. What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright. I just stopped selling crack today. Just stop selling crack today. What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright. Crazy, got my set somewhere in her Mercedes. 80s, get these off Avenue shoes for my baby. I see, I don't know no Pablo or no Poppy. What you know about a pill cost? Hey boy, you gotta reel 50 times just to get a rack off. I can get 100 up, make over 3 J's. Only took 2 days, only read it one time. With the sun barely shine in the rain for about 9 months out the year. Man, it's Sam right here from Seattle, nigga, cheers. When I look at y'all city, like looking in the mirror, damn near had a career. Just might shed a tear. Yeah, man, this shit right here for my niggas that ain't making home, sitting on a tear. Got adapt to a nigga brain hair, feeling life ain't fair. If I was in your shoes, had a cop don't care, had a scene that a medics like Claire. Big body cold like a polar bear. I done sold more shit than hookers. Expensive teas resemble a push-up. Stop selling crack cause white don't fuck with knuckles. Vanity slave, got whips and chains. Dirty money, clean money the same. Even if I got life, I ain't saying a name. Shame. Just stop selling crack today. I just stopped selling crack today. What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright. I just stopped selling crack today. I just stopped selling crack today. What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright. Groovy. When I die till Spike Lee make a movie. only feel like I can stop me. Quincy, now how you be sliding up every now and then in a Bentley. Easy, 60, 40, 50, you can get one for 30 if you let me hold your titty. Oh, yeah, you let a nigga fuck, then my dog see you kitty. Oh, just stop selling crack today. When they get high, smoke a pill, watch you glide like Dr. J. I prescribe you when you're Dr. K. You can crush this shit, you can sniff this shit, you can take this shit, you can smoke this shit. Do you like this shit, nigga? Yeah. Your brain go numb, synthetic heroin. Without the injections, though the same love and affection. How could they say feeling good is an addiction? But the world is full of shit, so I don't listen. In fact, we live in a die's a contradiction. So, trapping in a Nissan. OXY, I keep on. OXY, you need one. I just stopped selling crack today. Crack today. I just stopped selling crack today. What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright. I just stopped selling crack today. I just stopped selling crack today. What you say? What you say? OXY, I'm alright. OXY, I'm alright.
Ow, ow, ow.